Hi guys, in this short video I'm gonna talk about the chain problem when you use large rims or fat tires. Me and some of my friends at some point had to deal with this problem. In my case, the main issue was that I'm using the Shimano Alpine 8 gears with fixed sprocket, so it's not possible to adjust much the chain position. I have installed a 26-inch by 8 cm rims with 3.45 tires. As you can see, the distance between the chains and the tire is only 6 mm after the chain wheel adaptation. I am using the 3 parts crankset in order to be able to add this spacer ring between the chain wheel and the frame, but it was not enough. To move the chain a little further, I designed a 2-steps chain wheel with 1.2 cm between each plate. The total distance of the chains and the frame with all spacers is 3.5 cm. The spacer must be perfectly flat. An extra millimeter will cause us cycling problems. I used laser cut aluminum sheet instead of sliced tubes. I'm using 2 chain adjusters to keep the right tension. The chain issue is solved. I will add soon more videos talking about the custom parts, as the chain wheel and the spring fork build in detail. Thanks for watching. Cheers!